Come on, friend. Come on and we're about to make sugar cookies. My mommy always brought the grocery stuff from the store. She measured it out. Egg, butter, vanilla, salt, flour, icing, and sugar.
And sprinkles. The baking powder. You get it? We're gonna put inside.
This?
Yes.
Of it?
Yeah, sugar. Oops. This flour and all the then make it a dough. Okay, so we're gonna get them. You like it?
What do we do now? Make it into balls?
Cutesy. Next.
Candy cane. Three, make a look. Yeah. 1, 2. Yay!
Look how cute. I'll help you out.
Candy cane. And I'm gonna do gingerbread girl now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job.
We need to keep it far away so it doesn't get close.
And get stuck to each other, right? So we have just enough space apart.
If this come out of the oven, make sure don't try. I'm gonna make it for Gigi and Eddie.
Working?
No.
Get creative, Vale. Good job. I think Gigi and Eddie will love the cookie.
I'm making food for my teacher. Come get a little tot.
You love cookies?
Is it good?
I think Eddie approved.
The cookie.
Cookie Monster, Eddie?
Are you cookie?